Chico, anong reaction mo while watching The Substance?
Grabe. Sobrang mixed emotions. Parang natakot, nasad, lahat. So, panoorin nyo kasi I can't explain it to words.
Thank you. Taro, after mo manood yung The Substance, anong reaction mo?
Really scared po.
Ezra, great to see you again. How was it watching The Substance?
It was a nice movie because there's a lot of twists. It's a nice story. When you just have yourself, you don't need to prevent someone in order for you to do something. Just let yourself and let everyone see it.
Okay, thank you, Ezra. Direct, after watching The Substance, anong reaction mo?
Grabe, ito yata yung nakakadiring pelikula na napanood ko, pero gusto ko yung message kasi it's about absurd standard against women and
Yeah.
ageism and misogyny. So